Hello students. Alright, we are about to solve question 8 now. So look at the question. You can see two figures there. That's what's this? With this sign you can see is what is an isosceles triangle. And with this arrow you can see that this is a parallel, this line is a parallel line. And you can see the right angle triangle there. So now we have to find A and B. So the first thing, because you see this line, it means that this angle because of this. So meaning that B equals to 58 degree. Why? Isosceles triangle. Base angle of isosceles triangle. So therefore, to find A, now say A plus B plus 58 degree equals to 180 degree. Sum of angle in a triangle. So A plus our B is 58 plus the second 58 then equals to 180. So A plus 116 equals to 180. Our A equals to 180 plus 116 will come in to change to minus 116. So our A equals to what? 64 degree. So A is 64 and oh, sorry, where we got, not, it wasn't B that we got, this other side is what we got, not B. It was this other side that we got. We can name it X. The whole of this is B. You get it now? The whole of this is B, but it's the part of the part of B. So it's just X. You can name it X. So X, that means this angle is also this. It's the same thing. Alright? So now, so since this is, now look at this. Look at this. Since, look at this. This angle and this angle are the same. Yes, this angle that we got here and this are the same. Are the same. So also it was not meant to be A. So let's just see Y. This is Y, sorry, not A. The whole of this is A. So Y. So let's say Y, not A. Y. So what we got is Y. The whole of this is A, but it's only this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle that gives us 180. That's Y plus, so like I said, no longer B. Y plus X plus 58 give us 180. So Y plus X, because X and 58 they are base angle. But what they ask us to find is the total of this. Is the total. Did we get it now? It's total. So since our X is 58, we know that these X and this angle. So X and this angle, they are what? Alternate angle. So we can name this to be what? Let's name to be P. So just say X and P. So X equals to P. Y alternate angle. So since our X is 58, so X equals to 58 and P equals to 58. So since P is 58 and our Y is what? 64. Therefore our A equals to, our A is everything here. Our A is X plus P. I mean Y plus P. Our A equals to Y plus P. So which is equals to, what is Y? Y is 64 and P is 58. Therefore our A equals to what? 122 degrees. 122 degrees. So since our A, remember the whole of this is our A, 122 degrees. Then P is what? P is what? P is 58. And the little part, so you can say this be what? Q plus 90 degree into 180. So P plus Q plus 90 degree, as this 90 here, is 90 because of 180. Sum of angle in a triangle. So what's our P? Our P is what? 58. 58 plus Q is what we are looking for now. Plus 90 because of 180. Our Q plus 8, 148 because 180. So our Q equals 180 minus 148. So our Q equals what? 32 degrees. Alright? Yes. So since Q, so then our B now. Remember, it's B and A we are actually looking for in the beginning of it. But before we get our B and A, we need to get all those values. So therefore, our B now equals to, this is our A. So our B now equals to X plus Q. So that is X was our X. Our X is 58 plus 32. So our B equals to what? 0, 90 degree. Wow. All right. Thank you.